Baby Voja, come here. Baby Voja, how dare you? How dare you? What if I was on the school computer? Today is... No. Punishment day. No! First punishment? Spanking you! No! I'm doing it anyway. No. I'm gonna take a nap. While you do that, your next punishment is watching your computer get destroyed. Now, you're running the same. What is that? It's Windows Party. .exe. Did you make that? Yes, I did. If I got to the PC, we are doing it. I'm doing it. It's very dangerous. How long does it take? 6 minutes to your PC to get destroyed. A few minutes later. Say goodbye to your PC. Mm. 5 minutes later. Booting. We are booting. Let's see if the PC is destroyed. Wait, it works. What? That was the safety version. Huh, that's weird. Let's see. It works. That's weird. Why did it? That was non-safe. That was a safety version. Do I have to really run the non-safety? After if they run that. Here we go. Let's do it. Again. Goodbye to your computer. Now. A few minutes later. Goodbye to your PC. Goodbye. What have you done to my PC? Let me shut down your PC. No! That wasn't good. What have you done? Not my problem. You decided to do that. Now, final punishment, doing this. I'm gonna press this button. What is it gonna do? I'm gonna buy a new PC for school. And then you made a lot of money of damage. I really don't know what it's gonna do. That's it. Cha-ching! No! My money! I had $500 saved on there. Not my problem. You decided to do that. After the quick delivery. Okay, the new PC is here. So let's bring it to the class. So if we can set it up. Once we got to the class. Okay, class, take a seat. We are starting our lesson. So this is the final of the day. Excuse me. Baby will just tell you what he did, and here's the new PC. That's my money. Not my problem. You decide to do that. That's it. Here you go. Now. And I'm throwing your PC away when you get home. And I'm not gonna fix it. Now.